What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Today we are going to check out the Samsung Odyssey G5. This is a 32-inch curved monitor, model number 32G5. It has 1440p resolution, one HDMI, and one display port. This is going to be just a quick unboxing, and I'll show you my little quick setup, and I'll give you my overall quick opinion about this monitor. If you want to see more about this, let me know down in the comments. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Alright, here's the stuff included. This is the bottom part of the stand that sits on your desk. Comes with an HDMI cable, power plug, Alright guys, here's how it looks. Just grab my Mac Mini and my Logitech keyboard, which I also use on my PC. If you haven't checked out that review, check it out. It's a very good combo. You can use it between 3 different devices. But we're here for the Samsung, and I think it looks quite good. I have a triple monitor set up in my other room, which I'll show you in just a moment. Or let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. It's 3 Samsungs like this, but a little bit older, that are also 1440p. They also have the curve. This one seems like a deeper curve. This one's a 1000R, and I think those are 1500R. So they still have a good curve. This one looks like it's much more of kind of like a deep curve, if that makes sense. So here's the screen. Well, it's kind of hard to tell, obviously, on phone and then on your screen, but screen looks really good. No dead pixels, which is nice. I like the matte black. Even this is matte black. The ones I have in the other room are gloss. I definitely prefer the matte. And I think it's gonna be a really good monitor. I bought this for $299 on Amazon for Prime Day. I'm not sure if it's still that price, but I'll throw a link down below if you're interested. If there's anything you want to know specific about this, definitely let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to make that happen. I know from what I read on reviews, if you hook up your Xbox One X or PS5 to this, you can get 120 frames per second. And I do have both of those systems, so if you want to see that, let me know down in the comments and I'll hook that up for you. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please.